Mm.
Sometimes and growing up in such a small like country town where it is very quiet.
Were you born and raised in Melbourne?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Actually, a couple of hours out. So I'm actually from a small country town in Victoria, Australia. But around that area. Yep.
Nice. Well, since Melbourne is where you're based, we have a question here, which is, what do you like most about Melbourne?
I would say the fast paced moving environment. It's always go, go, go. And especially when you're a busy entrepreneur or trying to run a business like that, that's the environment you want to be in, and realize that, okay, if there's a brick wall in front of you, hypothetically, you've just got to keep going.
Cool. I've actually been to Melbourne once when I was a kid, but yeah, it was
nice.
That city was bustling.
Yeah.
So now we've heard what you like about Melbourne. Is there anything that annoys you about it?
I mean, it can be very loud at times. It's very busy. There's a lot of people. Sometimes and growing up in such a small like country town where it is very quiet. Sometimes you miss that, but I don't know. It is what it is.
It is what it is. So, if you were in charge of Melbourne for a day, what would you change?
Oh, I don't even know, man. I guess if I was in charge of Melbourne and the people, I would say literally just smile. Just stop worrying about all the negativity out there. Just smile. Just do it for 10 seconds. You'll have a good day.